going to be walking you through how you can set tasks, milestones, and emails relative to key dates in the transaction to ensure you're always staying compliant and your timeline is precise. So I'm going to start by going to Transaction Kits and selecting a kit I want to adjust. I'm going to scroll down, and for the sake of this, I'm going to go here, and to edit a milestone looks very similar to the task. So you can see we have this milestone due 1 day before the inspection contingency date. And let's drill down into these tasks. So I have an email that I want to send a reminder about the inspection. I currently don't have it set to a date. So I'm going to go in here, I'm going to click set date, and I want it to be due 1 day before the home inspection date. So quick note with this dropdown, all of the dates that you have activated in your account will appear here. You can adjust that by going to where you see your account name here, and you can click advanced fields to make any adjustments to those available dates. I'm going to save those changes, and then that was for an email that I have assigned to a coordinator. Let's go down to repairing this addendum, and I want this task to be due 2 days after the home inspection. All right, now I'm going to save the changes to that kit, and then I'm going to create a transaction with this kit and walk you through how you can do that. All right, now that I'm in the creating transaction flow, I already entered all of the data for the transaction on the previous page, and now it's prompting me to select a kit. So I'm going to select the kit I made those changes to. And when I go to create the transaction, because I didn't input some of the dates required for this task, it's going to prompt me to add those. So I'm going to add those now. Let's say the home inspection is scheduled for the 20th and contingency date is the 28th. Going to save that data and our transaction is going to be created. All right, so we created that transaction and now we're going to look here. So we know that we set the home inspection contingency date to the 28th and we set this milestone due the day before. So that is accurately applied. And then we're going to go down here and view this email. We can see, all right, so we created this transaction and applied that kit. Now we're going to go down and we can see that the milestone has been scheduled to be due the day before the inspection contingency date. And now we see that this email, if we go and edit it, we'll be able to see that it's set to be due the day before that home inspection. Now I'm going to show you what happens if the home inspection gets rescheduled. I'm going to go to details, scroll down to dates, and reschedule that for the 25th. Now, when I go back to the task tab and open home inspection, we'll see that that email has already been adjusted to reflect the updated inspection date. If you have any questions about this feature, please reach out to the ListedKit support team and we'll be happy to help you.